YouTube world! Welcome to my 8th vlog. My name is Belle and I am the founder of Perfectly Imperfect Philippines, a channel for beauty, fitness, travel, and career tips. In my previous vlog, I talk about how to apply in Bizmates, what the application process is, and interview tips from a Bizmates interviewer. So if you haven't watched it yet, please watch it. I will link it up here. I have met applicants who have watched my video and they appreciated it because they learned a lot from it. It's always a pleasure for me to help you guys, so you're welcome. And don't forget to share that video to your friends so they can be guided and it can help them in a way that it helped you too. I hope today's video can give you a lot of information too. So today, I will talk about everything you'll need as an ESL teacher when it comes to the technical requirements. So I will talk about the requirements we need in Bizmates, and also I will share the equipments and the backups I use when I'm teaching. So here are the specifications you will need for your computer. Let's start with the operating system. So it should be Windows 7 or higher, or if you're using a Mac computer, it should be 10.8 or above. I'm using an HP desktop. My operating system is Windows 10. Okay, computer RAM, it should be a minimum of 4 gig. Mine is 4 gig. Computer CPU, it should be Intel i5 or i7. Mine is Intel i5. Your internet connection type should be wired. Again, we don't allow wireless here in Bizmates. Your computer or your laptop needs to be plugged in using an Ethernet cable to the router or the modem. Okay, next we have the upload and download speed. So it should be at least 2 megabits per second on both when connected to the Tokyo server. So my internet service provider is pldt fiber. My internet speed is 35 megabits per second, I think. But I have a speed boost until this month. Hopefully they will extend it. PLDT. Baka naman. Okay. Well, HD webcam, of course, it is required. As for me, I have an external webcam. Since my desktop is still a bit traditional, so I still have to use an external webcam. I will tell you what I'm using later. Now, let's talk about my headset. So, I'm using a Logitech H111 headset. I've been using this for more than 2 years now. I bought it in December of 2019 from Shopee. It's very affordable, I would say. Believe it or not, I only got it for 361 pesos. And up until now, it's still working perfectly. And it does a great job in canceling noises. So this is the HD camera I'm using. It is an A4 Tech anti-glare webcam. Model number is PK635G. So I bought it at the same time as my headset from Shopee. It only costs 466 pesos. So I've been using it for 2 years, and just like my headset, it still works perfectly fine. Having a well-lit room is very important. So for me, I use a ring light when I'm having lessons or interviewing. But currently, I am using my ring light and my room's light. I'm using both because I think it's better for vlogging. But when I'm having lessons, I'm just using my ring light. So this one, I also got it from Shopee. Yes, I am a loyal customer of Shopee. It's very affordable. I only got it for 149 pesos. I have a separate tripod for it. I want it to be stable. For the tripod, I got it for 119 pesos. So this is how my office looks if I'm just using the ring light. It's good. It's well lit already. And this ring light has 3 modes. So this is the first one. Let me show you the second one. Okay, there you go. So I like it. I like it for taking photos, for having photo shoots here in my office. I like posting it on Instagram. And also the third light is this. I also like taking pictures with it. It looks so dramatic. Since power outages are prevalent here in the Philippines, it's a must for ESL teachers to have a power backup. So I mentioned earlier that I'm using a desktop computer. Unlike a laptop, it doesn't have a battery, so when there is a power outage, it will totally be off. So for me, I invested in a UPS. It is an uninterruptible power supply. I bought it from, guess where? Yeah, Shopee. I bought it for 1,750 pesos. Yeah, it's quite expensive, but I've been using mine for almost 2 years as well, and it still works perfectly fine. So for me, it is a good investment. Aside from the UPS, I'm also using a car battery, a motolite car battery. Motolite. Baka naman. Anyway, yeah, so we have that, and also I'm using an inverter. So this is how my setup looks like. Car battery to inverter, and then extension to my PC, my modem, and my light. It can power up my devices for about 3 to 4 hours since I'm using a desktop. But of course, for laptop users, it can power up your computer for a much longer time. So I got my battery from a hardware shop near my city. I didn't get it from Shopee. It's too heavy to ship. So I bought it for quite pricey, 5,600 pesos. And the inverter, same store, same hardware store, I bought it for 1,800 pesos. I also bought a battery charger for 1,600 pesos from the same store. So if I have used up the car battery, I can charge it right away. So if ever or whenever I need to have a backup, then it's readily available for me. Now for my internet backup, I have a Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi kit. So I like it because there is an option to plug an Ethernet cable from the modem to my computer. So that's how I use it. But fortunately, I rarely use it because PLDT fiber is very stable in my area. So that is my vlog for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. If you find this vlog helpful, please click on the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And also, please follow our Instagram page. That is PerfectlyImperfectPH. And let's build a community of perfectly imperfect individuals to support and love each other. So again, my name is Belle, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Goodbye!